Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. So today we have this part-time advertising sales rep. It pays $20 an hour. It starts in June, ends in December. You'll be classified as a independent contractor 1099, and it only works 5 hours a week. So this monthly news magazine covering the movers, shakers, and music makers each and every month. They're looking for advertising sales rep to join their team. Sales representatives are responsible for researching and cultivating advertisers for the monthly news magazine, B2B and B2C sales success. Ability to produce consultative solutions to overcome perceived problems with a positive outcome within our platform. Establish and cold calling success with focused selling skills to generate leads, qualify prospects, and establish pipeline development. Possess the desire to make a difference for customers and their company. A successful sales representative is self-motivated with high energy. This is a part-time remote position to start. If and when it moves to full-time, is completely up to you. Significant growth and compensation opportunities are available for rainmakers. Responsibilities: develop relationships with targets and secure advertising for one-time events and long-term advertising in print, on the website, social media, and or in the 2 times a month podcast that alternates with the 2 times a month e-bulletin. Requirements: excellent research skills with thorough follow-up and documentation are essential. Ability to creatively think and operate to find and secure new advertisers is also essential. The compensation will be $20 per hour plus commission for as long as employed. So if this feels like the perfect position for you, I'll put the link right below so you can apply right away. But if it's not, don't sweat it. We're going to have a lot, and I mean a lot of different job leads here on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new remote work from home job just for you, and you can be one of the first applicants and secure that job. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.